in 2024. In the domestic economy, Mr. Speaker, the Kenyan economy is now unwinding from layers of negative and persistent shocks. And some of these shocks have actually have been protected and have structural and permanent effects on the economic activities. Mr. Speaker, through forecast interventions as well as structural reforms, the policies of Kenya Kwanza Government have started to yield some positive results. Economic recovery is evident, with a GDP growth of 5.6% in 2023, up from 4.9% in 2022. This is above the global average and also above the average of sub-Saharan African region. The domestic growth in 2023 was mainly supported by a rebound in agricultural activities given the improved weather conditions and subsidized inputs for farmers. The resilience of the services sector remained strong in that same year. So the overall inflation also declined to its target level at 5%, and in April 2024, from a peak of 9.6% in October 2022. The decline was driven mostly by easing of food and energy prices, a strong pass-through effects from exchange rate appreciation, and the impact of monetary policy actions. And the tight monetary policy has been complemented by fiscal policy measures to enhance food production through subsidy program on fertilizer and seeds. Mr. Speaker, in February this year, the government took advantage of the improved international financial market conditions to refinance the buyback of US $1.5 billion of the Eurobond 2024. The government, through this process successfully removed the uncertainty of the settlement of the Eurobond. The government also successfully issued an 8.5-year infrastructure bond that attracted significant foreign investors, making it the most successful domestic bond issuance in the country's history. Mr. Speaker, these two operations in February significantly improved the market perception, together with a tight monetary policy stance and significant reforms in the interbank foreign exchange market. It has brought stability in the foreign exchange market. As of 31st May 2024, the exchange rate was Kenya shillings 130.20 to the US dollar, from a high of 163 earlier on in January. And this represents a significant appreciation of 18.7%. The appreciation and stability of the exchange rate created confidence and triggered inflows of foreign exchange foreign direct investment, and attracted investors to the Nairobi Securities Exchange. In order to enhance monetary policy transmission, the Central Bank of Kenya has adopted a new monetary policy implementation framework, and this is based on inflation targeting and introduces an interest rate corridor around the central bank rate. The interbank rate is expected to be within this corridor. In addition, the Central Bank of Kenya launched the DAO CSD, a central securities depository infrastructure that delivers world-class level of registry, custodial, and even settlement services